Hello guys, welcome back to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this head wrap very fast. So let's go there. Okay, we are here now. Here is my rubber. I need 3 rubber bands for this head wrap and I need my gele. So my material. So I folded it into 2 equal parts. After folding it into 2 equal parts, then I begin to pleat that edge as seen. Just watch it the way it is being pleated. So after I pleated it like that, I use my rubber band to tighten that place that I've just pleated like fan. So after that, I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other side of the head wrap. So look at it, the material. So I'm doing the same thing to the other side of the material as well, which I'll be using my rubber band to hold it as well. You know, I said we need 3 rubber bands, so that is the second one that I've just make use of. Make it tight. So look at it, I'm done with that. Then let's look at the next step. The next step is as simple as this. You see the way it is being folded round, so you make it round and you secure it with your pin. Okay, before I forget, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I dropped a new video. Subscribe to this channel, click on the button below and subscribe to this channel. It is absolutely free, trust me. So I'm doing the same thing to the other parts. I'll be keeping it safe with my pin as well. So if you want to achieve this type of head wrap, you need your pin and you need your rubber band. So I have done it to both sides. Then the next step is to place it on my head. You see the way it is being placed on my head, and I've placed it on my head. Then it's time to use the third rubber band. Then I will secure the front part with my rubber band. So that is just what I have done in that place, and this is what I have. So I'm trying to stretch it out to give me that shape like eyeball at the front. So that is what I have. Then at the middle, I can do it. Look at this style. I just do it like that. You can leave it like that, and if you want to do another style, you turn to the back and you see the way I just adjust it. You can also leave it like that. Also, you can come to the middle and feel like, okay, you want to close the middle, you just use your pin to save that place and keep it safe. So that is it. I'm done with it already. Don't just forget to subscribe to this channel. Click the button below and subscribe to this channel. Look at the outcome. Your baby is looking king with the gele. You can go anywhere with this style, church, party. You know you're a party rocker. You can rock it to party, wedding, naming ceremony, housewarming, name it. You can rock it anywhere. Guys, don't forget to subscribe again. Subscribe, and click the notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.